Hello students, welcome back to our online class. Hope you have learnt 5-digit number and 6-digit number in previous class. Now we are back again with another video focusing on an important topic, and it is the continuation of chapter 1, numbers beyond 10,000. Before getting into the topic, let's recall the previous session topics. 5-digit numbers, 6-digit numbers. So we have learned 5-digit number and 6-digit number according to the place value. Next, 5 and 6-digit number names. Next, 5 and 6-digit numbers on abacus. So we have learnt all these topics in previous class. Let us see our today's class. Place value in page number 15. We have two systems of numeration. One is Indian system and another one is international system. First we can see Indian system place value chart. See here ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs and 10 lakhs. So this is the order for Indian system. Let's see international system. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, million. And this is the order for international system. Let us see some examples for your better understanding. See here, I have some examples for Indian system and international system. Let's see the Indian system first. See, I have written number 5, 2, 4, 3, 6, 9. And the numbers are placed according to the Indian system place value. So 9 is placed in ones place, and 6 is placed in tens place, 3 is placed in hundreds place, 4 is placed in thousands place, and 2 is placed in 10,000s place, and finally 5 is placed in lakhs place. And the last column is number names. So we have to read this number as 5,24,369. Next, see the example for international system. See, we have number here 6, 2, 8, 7, 0, 2, and it is placed in according to the place value of international system. 2 is placed in ones place, 0 is placed in tens place, 7 is placed in hundreds place, 8 is placed in thousands place, 2 is placed in 10,000s place, and 6 is placed in 100,000s place. Here we have number names. So we have to read this number as 600,000, 28,702. Now we move on to the exercise 1.2 in page number 15. Answer the following questions as directed. Here they asked 1 lakh equal to blank in the international system. So 1 lakh we can say 100,000 in international system. Next 300,000. So we have to change in Indian system. 300,000 we can say 3 lakhs in Indian system. Understood, children? Next, see exercise 1.2, page number 16, second sum. Write the number names for the following in both the systems. So here they have given some numbers 9, 0, 0, 7, 4, 9. So we have to write Indian system and international system number names. First we can write Indian system. Before writing, first we can count the digit from ones place. ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. So in Indian system we have to start from lakh. So 9 lakh 749. Okay. Now we can write international system. Before that, let's count the digits. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. So in international system, we have to start from 100,000. So it can be written as 900,749. Okay, students, are you clear? Hope you have clear difference between Indian system and international system. Next, we can see the place value and face value in page number 17. What is meant by place value? The place value of a digit indicates its place or position in a number. The place value of a digit in a number changes depending on the place of the digit. So we can see some examples. Before that, let's see the face value definition. So what is meant by face value? The face value of a digit is the value of the digit itself. Let's see this example for place value and face value. Write the place value and face value for the digits in the number. Here they have given 3582. So we have to write the place value first. First we can start with ones place. So in ones place the number is 2. So 2 into 1 is equal to 2. The next number is 8. It is in tens place. So 8 into 10 is equal to 80. Next number is 5 and it is in hundreds place. So 5 into 100 is equal to 500. Next the number is 3 and it is placed in thousands place. So 3 into 1000 is equal to 3000. So this is the place value. Next we can see the face value. So already have said face value means the digit is the value of the. Now we can see the face value. So as I said already, face value means the value of the digit itself. So the face value of 2 is 2. The face value of 8 is 8. The face value of 5 is 5. The face value of 3 is 3. So the number itself will repeat for the face value. Now we can see the exercise 1.3, page number 18. Second sum, find the place value of the underlined digit. See the first one, 2765 and 7 is underlined. So tell me the place value of 7, ones, tens, 100. So it is in hundreds place. So we have to write 700 or in words 700. Next, B sum, 58,213. Here number 5 is underlined. So let's start with the place value. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So it can be written as 50,000 or in words 50,000. Next, C sum, 5,70,076. Here 5 is underlined. So tell me the place value of 5 here. Yes, it is lakh. So I have written in numbers as well as in words. 5 lakh. Next, D sum. 81,000. Here 1 is underlined. So tell me the place value of 1. It is 1000. So I have written 1000 or 1000. Next, E sum. 7,61,347. See the place value here. 4 is underlined. Place value of 4 is tens. So it is 40 or 4 tens. Have you understand, children? So copy down these answers in your textbook. Now it's time to work. I have given assignment for you in page number 16. Write the number names for the following in both the systems. So under this I have given 4 sums. You have to write the number names in both Indian system as well as in international system. Next, I have given one more assignment in page number 16, third sum. Write the numbers for the following. One has been done for you. 400,000. So I have written 400,000 in numbers. Likewise, you have to write the numbers. Number name is given. You have to write in numbers. Okay, students, you have to complete these 2 assignments in your textbook itself. Okay, students, I hope you have learned much more in numbers. So, I'll catch you in the next class for further topics. Thank you.